Let's make some homemade dishwashing detergent. You will need some borax, citric acid, washing soda, and kosher salt. Start out with a cup of borax. I am actually making a smaller recipe because, as you can see, I am out of borax, but you, for a full recipe, will need 1 cup of borax. Next, add 1 cup of washing soda to your borax. Then you're going to add a 1/2 cup of kosher or sea salt. Last but not least, the citric acid. You want to add about 1/2 cup of citric acid to your mixture and then shake it all up. And that's it, a quick and easy way to make your own dishwashing detergent at home. See y'all next time.